Attackers incoming. Prepare your defenses.
Here, guys.
Get behind!
Locked and loaded.
Prepare to attack. 3, 2.
Yeah, I mean it's going to be Blizzard's effort at what a first-person shooter could be, and I think we are taking some wild, adventurous rides on innovating what a game could do. We basically looked at it and said, we love playing shooters, ultimate, realism, but there's got to be something more than just upgrading your weapons or upgrading your gear or your speed or your reload rate. There's got to be something else, and that's when we started to get into this idea of what if we just gave the heroes epic moves, as if a superhero was playing, and then when you play the game, you think, what superhero would I want to be, and why? Well, it's a super fast-growing market, really passionate players. It's driven a lot of ways that we've improved the game, even just on the way people play down here. Latin Americans bring a kind of a devotion to the games, and really a lot more tech savvy. And I think about Chile in particular, it's like really educated population, really at the forefront of technology. Without a doubt, it's the next big franchise. We're completely dedicated to this game. It's here for the long term. We couldn't be more excited about all the stories we have to tell with that game, and it's looking like we're onto something big. It's just been review after review says we've got it right. We've found the right things, and so we're excited to bring it now to the public and let you guys give it a play.
Get to work! Come on, damn machine!
Shield up! Fall back!
Turret down.
Open core!
Armor here! You 敵を食ら